Did you know some of the world's richest billionaires started with absolutely nothing? Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty and rose to become the queen of media. Let's dive in. Howard Schultz, raised in a housing complex, turned Starbucks into a global brand. Roman Abramovich was orphaned young, but built an oil empire. Larry Ellison was adopted and later founded Oracle. Francois Pinault left school at 16 and now owns luxury group Kering. Du Won Chong worked odd jobs before creating Forever 21. Shahid Khan washed dishes before owning the Jacksonville Jaguars. Ralph Lauren started as a clerk before building his fashion empire. Jan Koum grew up on food stamps, then co-founded WhatsApp. And of course, Elon Musk, who faced bullying and struggles, built Tesla and SpaceX. These billionaires prove your background doesn't define your future. Success is built, not inherited.